Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to change Photoshop's scratch disk now. First, confirm the target drive has ample free space. Open your file manager and check available GB. Choose a fast SSD when possible because speed matters. Once you know which drive to use, quit Photoshop so settings can change cleanly. If you're on a shared computer, make sure you have permission to write to that drive. Otherwise, pick another drive. This eliminates errors and ensures Photoshop can allocate temporary space immediately. Now relaunch Photoshop and open Preferences, then go to Performance to access scratch disks. You'll see a list of drives. Check the box next to the drive you selected and uncheck slower or full drives. You can also drag to reorder if the interface allows. Make sure the primary scratch disk is the fastest available drive to improve responsiveness. Once configured, click OK. Photoshop may prompt to restart. Restarting ensures the app allocates the scratch space you just set. Finish by restarting Photoshop and confirming the new scratch disk is active under Preferences Performance. If you still get low disk errors, free more space on that drive or pick a different one. Deleting large unused files or emptying trash/recycle bin often helps. If Photoshop behaves oddly, clear caches via Edit Purge, all to reclaim temporary space. But note this clears undo history. One quick troubleshooting tip. Run Disk Utility or Check Disk to repair file system errors if the drive won't accept scratch allocations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.